This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
So, for the next 72 hours, we're going to be showing you everything to see, do and eat here in the capital city of Italy, Rome.
Mamma che brava!
And we're going to be showing you everything to do in Rome. That's not just the Colosseum. It's like topping on a big football field and stuff inside. Look at this.
Hey, we're Stephen, Jess and Hunter, a family from Australia who've headed out to Italy to kickstart our family's first summer adventure in Europe. So the last time you saw us, we packed up our tiny house on wheels, said goodbye to Cooper and flew all the way to Rome and got busy dealing with jet lag. But not today, as a special little person is turning 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hunter. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray!
I cannot believe little Hunter is already 2, and what a place to celebrate it this morning. We were trying to find a place that sold a cupcake, but all we could find was a very Roman, actually, breakfast called a Monterosi. It's like a little cream bun. So we had a little celebration at the Trevi Fountain. Such a special morning.
Welcome to the Trevi Fountain, everybody. You can see why this is one of the most popular spots in Rome. It is so grand, elegant, and you just turn the corner and see it, and it's just in your face. It is so beautiful. And the waters, I don't remember them being this clear before, with the statues just adorning it. Wow, it's beautiful.
Make a birthday wish with your coin. Want me to show you what you do? 2, 3, go. And here's the money. Did you see the guy came past with trays full of croissants? I feel like the oven is in the back. It's going to be a good day for all of us. Oh, there it is. Happy birthday, Hunter!
Mommy!
So her birthday cake more turned into a birthday smash, so we were like, okay, take 2. We found this little cafe right in front of the Trevi Fountain. We got a big chocolate croissant. We watched them take it out of the oven, fresh this morning, still warm. Who wants the first bite? Hunter? Say goodbye to this clean dress, Steve. Should I bite? You can lick the chocolate off. It just keeps getting better and better. It is also filled with Nutella. Best birthday ever? Oh no. Is that the face of a birthday girl? So the birthday girl is fast asleep, so we've come out for a little date lunch, and we've come to a place that has been requested so many times. It's known for its handmade pasta. They make it right in the window just behind me. It's called Osteria da Fortunata. Today we're going to be eating a lot of pasta. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So we've gone for 2 different types. One is like famous here in Rome. It's cacio e pepe, which is like a peppered, creamy pasta. And then we got homemade ravioli. Look how good that looks, Steve.
It looks insane. It's like just 4 gigantic pieces.
Hunter is missing out. That is so good.
Depending on how much free time you guys have, we got here 10 minutes before they opened. About 5 minutes after they opened, completely every table filled out. And now there's a line. I can see why there's a line.
Nothing beats handmade. Date day is continuing. We've just come to a Piazza. I've got our iced coffees. Look how they were served. Like the fanciest iced coffee ever. Cheers, Steve. To Hunter
Cheers.
turning 2.
Cheers.
Our little Bubba's 2.
Going too big, too fast. Tastiest coffee I've had. Ooh.
I'm going to be staying up tonight. Now I'm getting you. So we're currently making our way to dinner, and you know Rome, happen to stumble upon cool things as you go. Just walking along a road and stumbled across the Pantheon. This is so impressive. So this was built just after the Colosseum, so it's almost 1,000 years old. And a little fun fact is they actually got these pillars all the way from Egypt.
So when this was built in 128 AD, it was built in honor of the Roman gods, and then as time went on, it has now been changed into a Catholic church.
Don't they say that you can fit a perfect sphere inside?
And just here, one of the famous Renaissance artist Raphael is buried inside here.
So we've eaten at some pretty nice restaurants since we came here in Rome, but today, for dinner, we've decided we're actually going to head out and try and find some Roman street foods, but it's crossing over this bridge. In the distance, I can see the Sistine Chapel. Rome is just so beautiful. We went and got some Roman street food. It's called Trapezzino, and it's basically like a pizza sandwich. You want to be the first to taste? Okay, so this one is an eggplant parmesan one. Taste? Should I see if it's hot first? Okay, Mummy maybe has the first bite just in case it's hot. Alright, let's see. Is it good? It's so tasty, huh? It's like topping on a pizza that's filled and stuffed inside. Look at this.
Just any excuse to have more pizza, just bottle it up into street food.
Cheers. Also got the veggie one. He said it was like Rome vegetables. I didn't catch the name of it. It's like a mix of spinach and seaweed. Fried risotto. I think they said it was souply or supply. Let's have a go. I prefer this. It's even better. It's only €2.
Cheap, easy to grab on the go.
I was saying they invented Trapezzino like 10 years ago, and now they've got 3 little spots that you can get them from. Definitely recommend it. It's good, huh? Oh, this is good. It's like spicy risotto. So to end Hunter's birthday, we've come to Piazza, Navona. We're gonna go find some gelato. I think it's the only way you can celebrate a 2-year-old's birthday. But this is like one of my favourite places in Rome. Oh, gonna go to the ice cream shop.
2 ice creams.
Can we sing happy birthday? Happy birthday to you.
It's pretty good from our guest house. We have a view of the piazza downstairs. It's very lively. Luckily the windows block out all the sound when we are done, but it's cool to just open it up and just people watch. So today we've decided to go outside of Rome to a little village about 30 minutes outside of the city. Today we're going to do a little cooking class. So I don't know what to expect. We actually booked this on Airbnb Experiences, which didn't even know they did experiences and tours on there. And the town we've come out to is called Palombara. It's an 11th century castle that we are currently walking through, situated on top of a hill. Nonna is just getting ready and then we're going to go cook.
Bella di nonna. Oh, eccola qui.
They teach you how to cook?
Yeah.
How cool is this? This is like where she stores her food, her drinks, like her wine.
Oh,
Yeah,
Nonna's got
there's
the
like barrels
wine
of
going.
wine. Oh,
Ciampi. No, fuori, Guarda, poi il succo.
apple juice, Hunter.
Oh.
You want to sip? Apple juice.
Prego, amore.
Nonna did good. She's all professional now. We'll be the messy area for sure. Show what we do.
Oh, Madonna. Oh, mamma mia. Bravissima, vedi?
Yeah, it looks so nice. Crack, crack, crack. Oh, that's a way to crack it. Crack, crack, crack. No, don't eat that. Mixy, mixy. Can you mix it, mix it? Mixy, mixy, mixy. Good girl. This is a good woman. Wow, you're super strong.
Bravissima. Mamma che brava! Guarda, aspetta, Siamo farina nonna, farina nonna, non si attacca.
By far the coolest cooking class we've ever done. Hunter is loving it. I think Hunter has a third grandma.
Hunter, do you love Nonna? Say ciao, Nonna.
Ciao, Dada.
Guess what? The food is ready to eat.
Buddy.
Let's do it.
Farfallina bella bionda.
Aww.
Amore.
What a taste. Butterfly. Oh, tasty? This is called ravioli. That is the biggest bite. Here we go.
Okay.
He's ready, and then slurp it up. Italian. Suck it up, almost.
Yeah.
That was seriously such an incredible experience. So we arrived here, got invited into Nonna's house. Wine and champagne was flowing before any cooking was done, which I suppose is the best way to start cooking, with some bruschetta before we got into our cooking. We started making 3 different types of pasta. First of all, they call it butterfly pasta. We usually call it bow tie pasta. And then we made a stuffed ravioli with spinach and cheese. And then finally, we helped make, because as they said, it's quite a challenge, some fettuccine with some red sauce, and all of it has been so delicious. The food, the experience, the Nonna, and the backdrop. Highly recommended, guys. Highly recommended. He's coming back.
So we're now back on the train, heading back to Rome, and seriously, that experience was amazing. It was our first time ever trying Airbnb experiences, and it felt so authentic. Like we're in a little village, we were the only tourists there. Nonna was so nice. Hunter loved her. And now I feel like Hunter has 3 grandparents, Nonna being the 3rd. It was so good. I 100% recommend that.
Hey everybody, we just wanted to say a massive thank you to our longtime friends and partners of the channel Squarespace for keeping us on the road and making this epic adventure through Europe possible. So if you are new around here, Squarespace is the amazing all-in-one platform where you can easily put together a website or blog. So as our little family explores Europe, we're going to be wanting a place to post all our incredible photographs. And thanks to Squarespace's award-winning website designs, it's so easy to just make a blog post on Rome, chuck our photographs in there, and easily share it with our family, friends, and of course you guys. If you do know, Jess built our entire blog, flyingthenest.tv, on Squarespace. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you're thinking of starting your own travel blog, family website, or one for your business, I'll leave a discount code down below for you, plus a free trial. Let's head back to exploring beautiful Rome.
This morning we have woken up bright and early to see probably one of the most iconic spots here in Rome. Yes, that is the Colosseum behind me. Hunter, can you say Colosseum? Yes, good girl.
Do you know the Colosseum's older than Grandpa? No one's older than Grandpa. So this morning we've come inside the Colosseum. I think it's totally worth to come inside. It's about 18 euros, and to put that into perspective, compared to the other wonders of the world, most expensive, that goes to Petra, about 66 euros, and the cheapest, Christ the Redeemer, at about 3 euros. So it's not too bad. I don't know, you come all the way to Rome, you definitely want to come inside the Colosseum. Hunter, for when you watch this back when you're older, Dad and Mom did take you to the Colosseum. Oh no. Shh. But you found it a bit boring. We need to go.
Guess where we've woken up? We are inside the Colosseum. Do you want to go and explore the Colosseum? Okay. It's so big. Do you look how little the people look all the way up there? Come on, I'll show you. Here it is. Does it look pretty cool?
Historical side, have to give you guys some fun facts. So the emperor at the time, completely obsessed with the number 8. Construction started in 72 AD, ended at 80 AD, took 8 years to build, hold 80,000 people, and there were 80 entrances. Do you know what's pretty cool? When the Colosseum was in its prime, all of it was covered in marble. So it looked more like this white color than the brick color that you guys see. And that's why there's holes all in the Colosseum, because that's where they joined the marble onto it. If you're wondering where the marble went, heard of the artist Michelangelo? He might have borrowed some for some of his work. Alrighty, last fun fact with Stephen, to give you guys an idea on the timeline. So Colosseum was built 80 AD, 2,500 years before, that's the pyramids, and then 1,500 years later, you get the Taj Mahal. Where is Hunter? Is she over here? Never thought I'd be playing hide and seek in the Colosseum. Is Hunter over here?
Hunter's not here.
Here. A peekaboo.
Bye, Colosseum.
Bye, choice.
Do you want to go get some Noonoos?
No.
Ready, Hunter?
Ready.
Okay, slurp this up.
So most people come to Rome for two reasons. One, eat as much pasta and pizza as you want. Perfectly fine. But if you came here to see ancient Rome, you want to walk where the ancient Romans once roamed, one of our favorite spots has to be the Roman Forum, because you can just see a snapshot of the history of Rome everywhere. And the best view definitely has to be from Palatine Hill, because you just get to see ancient Rome in all its glory, and it just looks so stunning.
Here it is. Come to get your cup, and you put it under like this. There you go. All right, say bye-bye, water.
This place is also the perfect example of the saying, Rome was not built in a day. As you can see just across the road, we have the Colosseum, built in 80 AD. We then have temples in this exact spot built in 100 AD, 300 AD, just years and years apart. And it's really cool just to walk a couple of steps and it's just history has completely changed. So there is a lot of history, definitely worth checking it out.
When the picnic's going to be eaten before we even get there.
Mommy's daddy.
What is that? Hunter, you did so good. You almost made it to the top of some pretty cool steps. These are the Spanish steps. Pretty cool, huh? Should we go all the way to the top? Almost at the top. Whoa. More steps.
A dog.
Whoa. Wow. Pretty cool view, huh?
She's good. Like I did, Daddy.
More, keep going. Hunter just took on the Spanish steps. Did she walk all the way to the top?
My dad might have helped.
You did it. Was it so many steps? So this afternoon for sunset, we've come out to a beautiful park. It's called Villa Borghese, and it's basically like the Central Park of Rome. And we're currently on a little rowboat. Hunter chose a little pink umbrella to take out with us. And how stunning is this spot? I didn't even know about it until we got here. She's more into the umbrella than the boat experience. Is it pink? Yeah.
Guessing I'm doing all the work today.
Of course. I'm busy holding a pink umbrella.
Cheese?
Daddy eats no, Daddy cheese now.
We decided to come out, have a little picnic together.
Uncle Daddy. Daddy eats.
Hunter is making us. Okay. Probably thought we should do a salad tonight. We've had a lot of pasta and pizza. But it is so nice here, watching the sunset. It's nice to find a spot that is quiet in such a chaotic city. Thank you, Baba.
Wow. Another amazing perk about this park is that it's located right on top of a hill, so you get amazing views of the city.